You and I.
Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Alyson and welcome back to my channel. It's really late that I'm uploading this. It's really late that I'm even filming this. Yeah, and this video is gonna be put up the same night. It's fine. I had other things to do today, okay? So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you this really awesome DRAB to FAB makeup look. I recommend this to anybody. This is a makeup look to die for. I feel like I really worked hard on doing this makeup look today, so I really hope you enjoy it and that you try it out for yourself. So I'm not even gonna worry about the leftover makeup I have on my face. It just enhances your beauty a little bit more. I'm gonna be taking my Ulta beauty oil with a 24 karat gold and jojoba oil, and you're gonna just like put it on your face. So I'm just gonna put this on my face, like, you know, like those Instagram models. Oh my god, unicorn tears. I didn't even do anything. This is really cool. Ooh, that tickled. That wasn't even enough. Wow, look at me glow. My face is already oily, so why would I even put this on my face? I mean, this is what you want to do to get a nice dewy skin result. Now that I feel like I'm all buttered up, I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation. This foundation is a little bit lighter than me, but that's a-okay because we're just gonna put it on anyways. I'm actually going to use the sponge off of this Revlon Instant Filter foundation and just, you know, see how it works. Let's just go for it. As you can see, it actually really matches my skin tone really well. Okay. This sponge is phenomenal. Phenomenal. So great. You know, don't even worry about putting more product on, you know, just smear it out on your forehead. So that looks pretty blended to me. I feel like it matches really well. Who cares if it's lighter than your skin? Like, you're just trying to look super natural, you feel me? So next thing that I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, since you wanna do those on a wet canvas so you get better application. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my misting spray. You guys know I love this, just a tiny bit. So filling in your eyebrows, you want to be super precise and very light. You don't want to do anything dark because next thing you know, you just have super square eyebrows and nobody really wants that. Doing super square, long, arched eyebrows is just not the thing anymore. People just don't do it, and when you fill in your eyebrows way too much, it just starts to look a little wild, a little crazy. Looks like you're not... Looks like you're not trying to make it look natural, like you're actually trying to make it look really bad. Just be super carefree and just fill them in as you go. You know, they are sisters and not twins, so don't make them exact. So, you know, if you just want to arch one a little bit more, just to give you a little bit more of a crazier look here, just to give it a little bit more definition. You know, you never know what you're gonna get with me. Like, you feel me? Like, you feel that? Did you feel that in your soul right there? Because I did. It's just like, wow, what is she thinking? You know what I mean? Like, just speaks to me. Powder, you know, since I have a lighter face, I want to go for a little bit of a darker powder. If your foundation is too light, you can always go with a darker powder and it just, boom, your skin tone. Boom, it's perfect. So the powder I'm using today is actually, you guys know I love Unique Mineral Touch Foundation Pressed Powder. And I'm gonna take a little bit of my Hoola Benefit Bronzer because, like I said, my face is a little bit too light right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix some of that and, you know, just a little bit of bronzer, just a little, and just put that all over your face and everything. Oh my god, it's just gonna look so nice. And they say don't powder your whole face, but I saw that in like a beauty blog or something. Somebody told me don't powder your whole face. So that looks pretty good. They say you should go with a color that looks really well with your eye color. So you can't go wrong with black. Come on now. Everybody loves a good black eye. Actually, no, they don't. I'm just going to be taking my Naked 2 by Urban Decay, and we're going to be taking the color As Dark As My Soul called Blackout. You don't even have to worry about primer with this because it just sets on your eyes so well, and it's super easy to blend, super nice and creamy. You can literally just go in there and blend it. No creases at all. Like, how creamy is that? So I'm just going to go in with my crease with this because I decided to change it up a little bit for me. Don't even worry about blending it too much because you really want to notice that, like, I worked hard for this and I'm not blending it because then all my work would have just went away. So don't even worry about it. Ugh, lovely. So my favorite color, as you guys might know, is purple. Purple is to die for. It's the best color in the universe. Gonna go in with the best color that describes me, and I'm thinking it's this one and maybe a little bit of this, and like you want a little bit of a matte too, and like a little bit of lilac because I always loved lilac, and use this one because it's already hit pan anyways. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe that right on my lid. Right, see the transitioning of all the colors. You can just bring that all the way up to the black because no one will even notice. So literally one swipe, gorgeous. I forget what colors I did, so just gonna, there we go. Don't forget to go under your eye because then it'll look really, really blended. God, okay, so we're gonna do eyeliner. This is probably one of my favorite parts because you can just get so creative with eyeliner. Eyes are a little bit, you know, soft and natural, so you want to keep that with your eyeliner too. So what my trick is, just take it from the corner of your eye and just flick it. That's all you have to do. So easy, like steps 1, 2, 3, done. So you want to make sure to match the other eye as much as possible. You don't want it to look uneven. I think I nailed it right there. I think it, you tell me. I think it looks pretty good. Just to get a little fun and crazy with it, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, do the classic like few dots just to get a little crazy. So this one is like the same as the other side, so just, there you go. Okay, so the best part doing your contour, highlighting, and blush, it's just gonna change the beauty world forever. So I'm just gonna take my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit again, and instead, here's the trick. So instead of going really light with your bronzer and doing it here, you want to do it here. This is where it's gonna get crazy. This is where you're gonna think, what? Like, what are you doing? This isn't gonna benefit you at all, but trust me, you'll see in the end. I meant to do it on the bridge of my nose. It's fine. Just do your whole nose. Like, you can go back in with your highlight and fix it. I will, forehead, right in the middle of your forehead. Because this is gonna give you the most color. It's summer, you wanna look bronzed even though you haven't been out in the sun. Like I said, you might think I'm crazy right now, but just go with it. Just follow along, okay? This is the Paradise Highlight Kit by Bad Habit from Hush. I'm just gonna take the white one, that's White Sands, dip it in there really nicely, and just go to the places you would regularly contour. That's all you have to do. That's it. Oh my God, I love highlight. And don't be scared about how much you put on. You want to look like a Krispy Kreme donut. So what I'm gonna do is take this NYX cream lipstick in the color 17. So just line your lips. Don't worry about overlining. That's the thing nowadays, so just don't worry about it. Look like you have lip injections. I know, I'm just out here trying to help y'all, okay? All over. It's going out so well. This is exactly what I was going for. All right, guys, so that was my video. It took me so long just to master this look, and I'm over the moon excited about it. I know this whole makeup look is just gonna become such a good trend nowadays, and oh my God, I'm just so excited. Like, I can't wait for you guys to just watch this video and just to try it out for yourself, because it is just so glamorous. You can wear this anywhere, to the park, to the beach, like take your girl swimming on the first date. I really hope you guys don't take me seriously with this at all. Obviously, I'm joking about all of this. I just wanted something fun and stupid to do on my channel because I've always just wanted to do a video like this. Why do I do this to myself? Oh my god. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I post every Monday and sometimes Friday. And I apologize for not getting this video out earlier. I just got lazy, okay? We get lazy sometimes. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you get a notification for every time I post, and also turn on that bell so you get a better notification for every time I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!